With our weather coverage, 5 people were taken to the hospital after Portland Fire and Rescue responded to a case of carbon monoxide poisoning. This happened in southeast Portland.
Well, it happened at an apartment complex off of Southeast 148th, and that is where we find Fox 12's Chandler Watkins now. Chandler, you spoke to the neighbor who called 911.
We did both live in the apartment complex right across the street from us. Portland Fire and Rescue says that all that were hospitalized were conscious and breathing as they were taken away by ambulances. Isabella Royer says she saw the generator in their apartment, helped them, and called 911. We were the ones to tell her it seemed like all 5 were going to be okay. Her reaction says it all.
That's good. Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. Oh my God. Thank God. There were 2 kids in that apartment. So I'm so grateful that they're okay. Oh my God.
Off Southeast 148th, Portland Fire and Rescue responded to a possible carbon monoxide poisoning Sunday afternoon at this apartment complex. Resident Isabella Royer tells us she opened her door to get a package and could smell something was off.
And they had their door open, so I saw the generator, and my neighbor was like laying on the stairs, and I was like, "Are you okay? What's that smell?" And he was like, "I'm fine." And not even 30 seconds later, he knocked on my door and was like, medical.
Royer says she called 911. As they waited for first responders, she continued to help the family.
And I had to hitch the kid up on his side so he wouldn't asphyxiate because he threw up all over that windowsill.
In total, 5 people, ranging from children to elderly, according to Portland Fire and Rescue, were taken to the hospital, all conscious and breathing as ambulances took them away. Fire crews stayed to read carbon monoxide levels and gave the all clear around 4 p.m. to other residents.
I'm glad they're alive. I'm glad they're alive. I'm glad they're okay. But the fire department said that it's reading at 0, so everyone's safe to go back inside, thankfully.
Portland Fire and Rescue says the residents were using this generator indoors, as well as a propane camp stove. Residents we spoke to say the power has been out since Saturday.
Yeah, it was just a scary situation. People trying to stay warm because, everything's out all around the city right now. Yeah.
How are you guys staying warm?
We're not really. We have a bunch of blankets on the bed right now. We'll be cuddled up with the animals and doing everything we can, layering up, all that kind of stuff.
Royer says during this time to just check up on your neighbors. As we were talking with her, another neighbor came outside and gave her a blanket to help her try and stay warm tonight. Reporting in Southeast Portland, Chandler Watkins, Fox 12 Oregon.